Today I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a quick way to personalize your browser so it feels more like your own, especially if you use multiple Chrome profiles for work, school, or personal use. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're signed into the Chrome profile you want to customize because the profile picture will change for that specific account. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. From the drop-down, choose Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page where you can manage your browser preferences and profile options. On the left-hand side menu, click You and Google. This section is where Chrome keeps your profile, sync, and personalization settings. Now look for your profile area and click on the profile option. From here, you should see the choice to change your profile picture. Scroll through the available avatar options until you find one you like. Chrome gives you a range of profile icons, so you can pick a style that best fits your account. Once you've found the one you want, just click on the profile picture or avatar. The change should apply instantly, and you'll usually see the updated picture right away in the top right corner of the browser. If you want, you can repeat the same process later and switch it again anytime. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully changed your profile picture in Google Chrome. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.